Name-BuilderGirlMC here, and I'm doing an Overwatch video as I promised, but I was gonna record it last night, but then I didn't, oops, but I didn't feel like it because it was a long ass day, and I just wanted to eat my food and like lay down and watch Netflix. That's what I pretty much did the entire night. I'm running off no sleep, so rip. And sorry about the messy bed behind me and the messy hair. Like, I'm not caring at this point. I have like a blue moon day where I'll like actually care about how I look, and I'll do my hair, makeup, and everything. Otherwise, I'm like, no, I'm not even gonna try. Like, I don't have the energy for this. I need to use the energy for something else. So yeah, we're gonna play competitive Overwatch. And the 1975 I'm listening to right now, I'm like vibing. I need like a car and just go blasting the music and driving like with them on my stereo, because like I'm just going. Somebody. Okay, bitch. Let's go Symmetra, cause why not? I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Like always, I have to make that statement. I don't know what this video is, but welcome. Do I want to listen to them, or do I want to listen to something more like upbeat that's gonna be like put me in like the mood? But I'm not changing the music, so destroying shit. Can I not destroy shit? Is fine. Can I pick up stuff? I can pick up this. Hello, friend. Ha. Oh look, I can destroy stuff. I don't know what I'm doing. I was like yelling all day yesterday, so my voice kinda hurts. Rip. And I feel like I'm gonna get a cold, like always, because you overwork yourself and you don't like freaking take care of yourself, and then your body's like, go rest, or here's a freaking cold. Okay, I want some more upbeat music, because probably I'll vibe to them later, but like freaking I've like, everybody's so hyped to like go see it, and I'm over here like terrified of clowns. Let's just hit shuffle play. I'm over here like, I'm terrified of clowns, but I like mentally prepared myself to go see that movie for one of my friends, and he has no idea when we're even gonna see it. So it's like, fuck. He's like, yeah, I didn't even know we were gonna see it. I was like, I've mentally prepared myself, so if I don't go see this movie soon, then I hate everybody. Like, I'm absolutely terrified. And all my friends know this, so all they've done is been sending me clown memes, and they're like, hey, open your phone real quick. It's like a clown face or like a clown meme, and I'm like, you're the cause of my nightmares. I was like, am I gonna die? Hello. Hello. I'm gonna die. I don't care. Okay, that's weird. That's not what I wanted to do. Sorry, I got distracted, like, for a second. So, rip. I just don't like when my friends are upset. So. Oh my god, no. Hello, you. You're gonna die in about 5 seconds. No. No! Come back! How do I get up here? Fuck. I don't feel like dying today, so. Oh, thank you. Come heal me. Where did your bitch ass go? Okay, you know what? There's a staircase up here. I knew there was. Where'd you go? You dick? What the fuck? Hello. I'm coming in for the kill. Aw. I might be young, but I ain't stupid. Oh my god, I have like no energy. Rip me. We're gonna put the teleporter like hidden in the corner. We're gonna put you hidden in the corner. Hello. Hello, you. No, don't shoot me. No, please, no. Fuck. I'm gonna be distracted until I answer this, so I'm gonna answer this real fast. Type really fast one hand. Kill me now. Okay. I ain't stupid. I'm going with your time. I make you base. Damn it! I thought I wasn't dying. I'd never. This is a problem with when I game. I don't watch my health or anything, so I'm like, yeah, I'm totally rocking it. Actually, is fucking dying and not making any damage on. Hello, I just saw your body fade into a rock. Okay. That's like, okay. Hello. Oh, I thought that was freaking the opposite team. I was like, rip. Where'd you? Oh. Okay, I don't like this song. I'm not in the mood for this. No, wait, I actually like this song. Go back. Hello. Hello. Hello, you piece of shit. Hello. Hello. Goodbye. Bum 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 bum. I don't know what I'm doing now. Hello. 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 Hello, I'm hiding. Hello, I'm gonna hide as I put these up here real quick. Hello. Hello, nobody noticed me over here. Hello, nobody noticed me over here. I could put one right there. Who the fuck? Okay, you noticed me. Okay? Okay, fuck. Ah, fuck my life. Pocket healer. I'm myself, and I don't need nobody else. Nuh-uh. I wanna be me too. Wanna be me. This is probably gonna be a short ass video because I'm so tired. No makeup in the world can like give my face a glow and like remove these designer bags from under my eyes. Like, Jesus. It's been a busy and hard ass and upsetting week, so I'm just like now glad that I'm gaming. Hello, fuck you all. I'm gonna hide here in the corner. Please don't touch me. Please don't touch me. Please don't fuck my life. Okay, you know what, you fucking diva? You know what? Can I fucking get a... Okay. Maybe now I would... Where the fuck am I walking to? I'm walking into a wall. I'm so dead. I'm fucking yawning. This is all I'm doing is yawning in this video. Jesus Christ. Me too. Hello, bitches. Hello, bitches. Fuck off. Fuck off. Where am I walking to? Hello. 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 Please don't kill me. Please don't. I totally wasn't paying attention that there's a fucking diva who decided to come down the fucking stairs. Oh my god, yes. Thank you for saving me. No. Fuck. I literally just respawned. Can you like not? Why'd you pick on me? Why you gotta pick on me, bitches? Okay. Oh my god, again. Oh my fucking god. That's all I'm doing. And now there's this like yawn tears in my eyes. I'm like, oh my god, no. I'm gonna have like leftover mascara like run to my face now. Rip. I got called a beautiful crier last night for like reasons, and that's pretty much my friends trying to cheer me up, and I was like, I've seen myself cry. Please don't lie to me. It's a mess. I don't think there's like ever been a beautiful crier. Who the fuck? You, bitch, ass, get a fucked away from me. I'm with. Okay. I know she calling. So what the fuck? Should've known a cheat stays a cheater. So here we are. And there goes the alarm ringing in my head. Like somebody said, don't you trust him, no. Text from me text, what did you expect? Then you're lying here, know where he goes. Now we got back. Karma is a bitch, yeah. Hello, bitch is gonna die. Hello. Sink attack. Hello. Of course you fucking team picked a fair. Who the fuck? Who just killed me? Hello. Who just... I need a freaking person to like game with and who would be fine with me recording, because I need somebody to like talk to while I'm doing this, because I'm starting to like not know what to say anymore. I mean, fuck. It's like the 8 millionth time. No, but I've like, I never know what to say, so that's not even a lie. I'm starting to not know what to say. No, that's a lie. I've never known what to say. Hello, 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 hello. Yes, we won. Okay. Well, round 1. Good shit. Karma is a bitch, yeah. Say that they come and say where they go. Now we got that good shit. Rewinding up. Back on the alarm and the sirens go. Damn it. Well, I'll stick with Farrah. She bomb. But I still want daddy. Farrah's mommy. Mommy kinks. Definitely an actual thing. And I don't know how. Like, what girl wants to be called that during sex? I don't understand what guy wants to be called that, or like what girl wants to yell that out. I'm like, I don't understand it, but I mean, you do you, because I have my own kink, so it's fine. I have my own secret things that nobody knows, that like only a few people know about. Actually, that's the topic usually me and my friends talk about. Like, it's either something sexual, like, or memes. Like, that's pretty much it. The sexual or memes, it's the basis of our conversations, and every once in a while it's like something else. Freaking recalling a conversation I had with a friend. He's wanting me to get him a Hitler plushie or make him one, and I'm like, I'll do it, bet. He just walked in and he was like, so I don't know where the conversation happened or why he did it, but he just walked over to me. He's like, so I can't find a Hitler plushie. And I was like, I bet you I could. And bada bing, bada boom, I found one. And it doesn't look that hard to make. I could like, if I could figure out how to crochet. I have like a whole Star Wars kit back there to like crochet like a little Yoda, but I can't freaking make one stitch. So I'm like giving up. And I don't know why I want Hitler plushie. I was like, okay, we talk about some pretty fucked up. It shouldn't be a topic of conversation or like something made fun of, but I mean, it is now. So like, can you fucking kill yourself? Just die, please. Just die. Just die. That's all I'm asking. Thank you. I never knew you were this. Who the fuck? I bet you the person on the left. How the hell did this diva kill me? Okay, you and your fucking little rapid fire. Okay, bitch. Does Mercy have her ult yet? Like, her new one? Because, when does that come out? Resurrect, no. Hold default, yeah, thanks. Okay, no, give me back Farrah. I want that new ult to come out, and I don't know when it's coming out, and it's pissing me off. Because I'm like, hello, can you please, like, all these people on PlayStation who get to play it, I'm like, no, that's not fair. With that hair back, my hair's a mess, I don't even care. My arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song, and you said you looked a mess. I whispered underneath my breath, you heard it, darling, you look perfect tonight. Can I make it? Can I make it? Can I make it? Ooh, bitch. The woman stronger than anyone I know. Hello, how the fuck did you know I was up here? But someday I'll share her home. Yeah, skateboarding, Farrah. I don't even know what I'm doing. Someone heal me, please. Can we have a Mercy? I would like healing, please. No, would they fucking have one? Children of our own, we have to. Of course, she's pocket healing Genji. Bitch ass. Against all odds, I know we'll be alright this time. Okay, my voice sounds like trash. I'm sorry. I'm sick. Overworking myself. Future in your eyes. And where's my... And my soda's all the way back there. Rip. My mouth's getting dry again and like scratchy because of fucking screaming all night yesterday. Oh my god, no. Person, no. Go away, go away. I don't want you. Nope. Hello. Get the fuck away. Rip. How the fuck? Okay, I forgot. It like explodes like a nuclear bomb. Forgot it wasn't just like out thing. Fucking A, kill me now. Oh my god. I'm literally, yeah, this title's gonna be named like fucking not, like all I do is yawning. All I do is yawning, yeah. That's English, right? All I can do right now at the moment is fucking yawn, and it's like, baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms. Yep. And there's life. Listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Yep, I give up now. But, like, if I'm not singing, it's like, that's usually how I figure out things to talk about. And I'm like, rip, because my voice sucks at the moment. Because fucking, rip, no, rip, get away. Get away, get away, get away. I just bounced you to the fucking point. What is this? Who the fuck? She just came out of nowhere. Who are you? Fucking, somewhere? I fucking shot the area you were in. Like, you should have died. I don't understand this shit. I give up. The physics is not a thing. Gotta move those cups. I'm gonna kick them again. Hello. 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 Can you fucking not? Hello. 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 Can you thank you? Clogging up my brain like the one who made pain with the teeth on my face. Had the fuck? You'll be alright. I know. Hello. I didn't even aim. I can't even aim. I'm just hoping. Fuck. That's not what I meant to do. I'm just hoping it like hits somebody. Y'all are not watching the point. I just like walked over with you two guys. Like what? What even? No, get away. You little hoe. 2 minutes, really? Are you kidding me? This is gonna be the longest 2 minutes of my life. Actually, no, there's like a lot of situations that could be the longest 2 minutes of my life. This is gonna be one of them. I feel it tearing us apart. You know what's gonna be like the longest, like, well, I think the new It movie's like an hour or something like that's gonna be like the longest hour of my life. I'm gonna be like crying. Who the... Yes, of course you're fucking riptire, and because I can't hear shit, because for when I'm listening to music, and two, when you plug in the fucking controller to a computer, you can't hear shit either. Okay. Nope. I don't know who the fuck you think you are. I don't know who the fuck you all think you are. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. It's like, oh. Oh no. Wait, where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? I want this kill. I want this kill. Come here, bitch. What the fuck? Oh, you're over there. I was like, where'd you go? There's a healing thing back there. Fuck. Thank you. Go on. I just wasted all my fucking energy on it. Okay, I'm gonna come back with my ult then, bitch. But I just wasted all my fucking energy on a fucking diva. Okay. Oh, he didn't use his ult, actually. Okay, fine, you're just a fucker. I swear it looked like he bounced. His fucking arrows curved me. Hello, people. Anybody want to come get fucked? Because I'm in the mood to fuck up a bunch of shit. Hello, fuck. What did I just do? I just wasted that because I went up too high. Kill me now. I'm gonna kill you instead. You piss me off. I wasted my shit on you too. I wasted my shit on both y'all, and I need this. Hello. Gonna drop. You got the way that I'm running up the Oh yeah, that's what it's called, to get fucked. Look, I can shit talk this game because, well, for now, until I start shit talking and then I fucking die again, because that's what always fucking happens. So yeah. But right now I can shit talk all I want, so get fucked, little scrub. I don't know where I'm going because there's like nobody over here and there's like 5 seconds left. So yeet, motherfuckers. Y'all lost. That's what I thought. Me up. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. Fuck. If I don't get that, I'm probably not gonna get to play a game, but I would appreciate it. Look at my brainy little pose. Of course, it's the fucking diva in your little cop skin. Who the fuck do you think you are? Okay, I want to see how much XP I got for this, because if I do, I wanna. It says it's gonna be a short video, but at the same time, I want a loot box. Don't be shy, do your thing. It's all in my head. I wanna flex with you, baby. No, I recently powered. Fuck. So yeah, I guessing that. Yeah, that would take a long ass time. But I want to be a level 70. I don't play this as much as, like, I would like. There's times where I'm like, I'm gonna play for 3 hours, and then something comes up, and I'm like, K, bitch. 4 in a row. And why are my competitive points not going up, like, faster? I hate that they don't go up fast enough. Or, like, those 2 freaking losses. I want to see this highlight thing. I want to see. Today's top 5. We're gonna see which one is a highlight, and if it's like a fucking terrible like kill, I'm gonna be like, what are you? I'm new and brass. Come and climb in my bed. Don't be shy, do your thing. It's all in my head, why flex? Tell me it was a good one at least. If it's a fucking point where I like, okay, it's decent. Yeah. Dim in the lights. Okay, I like that. That needs to be my computer background. I could have screenshotted that. How do I screenshot again? Isn't it like option? We're gonna do it. We're gonna rewatch that because I want that screenshot, because then I could like update my profile and shit. Can you? What's it? I would like to watch the highlight. Thank you. Me. That wasn't actually one of the better ones, like, but I don't care. Now my hair's a mess probably. Oh well. We're gonna watch me fail at trying to get the screenshot because I don't think I remember how. And I don't. Maybe it'll work on the computer. Maybe it won't. Okay, wait. Go. Can you function? I hit the wrong one. We're gonna do this one more time. 3rd time's a charm. And we're gonna watch me suck again. Anyway, I'm pretty sure, yeah, this is where I'm gonna end the video after I get the screenshot, and then I'm gonna do like my little outro. So yeah, I'm gonna start doing my outro while I'm doing this shit. But yeah, that was this. I don't know what this was. Sorry, I'm tired and I was just yawning all over the place, and like it was random, but it would have probably been a worse video if I recorded last night. Another fucking yawn. It probably would have been a worse video because I would have been even like as tired. Yes, I got the screenshot. Fuck up. Okay, we're gonna save this. But yeah, it probably would have been like, where do you want to share? Nowhere. It probably would have been like, even as worse video. You know what? No, Steam. Can you not pop up like every time I press that button? It's all in my head. So yeah, and then this is how I'm gonna. Can you fucking not, Steam? Thank you very much. And we're gonna go set that. I need to like update this. I mean, last time I updated this, it was like a while ago. It was like, I don't know. I'm such a fucking, I don't know what the fuck I am. Anyway, I put that a while ago. Okay, we're gonna do this. Hate that I can't get rid of like shit. Profile picture, avatar. This one. Change. Go to Overwatch. Go to this one. It screenshots when you win trophies, and it's really, like, annoying sometimes. Do I want, like... I want that. We're just gonna go with that for now. Which one do I want to set it to? We're gonna set it to black because black is my favorite. Do I want to change my avatar? Yes. I'm gonna change my avatar because I haven't changed that damn seal in like a while. We gotta go to all. My first ever one I had was that one. Then I go back and forth between like anything cute. There's a hippo, it's really cute. What are we gonna pick? Oh my god. This is my new avatar. And it's gonna look perfect. You ready for this? Look at it. It's perfect. Okay, that's my profile. Or whatever. That was this video though. I hope you guys can't listen to music while I'm trying to do this because then I'll start singing. But besides all the fucking yawning and whatever this video was, I need to go take a nap, but I have too much shit I gotta do. And then I'm probably never gonna sleep again, but oh well. Anyway, that was this video. I hope you guys liked it, and check out some more of my videos. Go check out my social media, because it's a thing. Isn't there supposed to be something else I'm supposed to do? Fuck, I'll have to do a next video. I'll have to fucking advertise something. I don't know. Anyway, that was this. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later.
1, 2, 3.